Hello, welcome to our next episode on prevention measures to manage diabetes. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue. According to World Health Organization, managing diabetes involves a combination of lifestyle changes, medication, and ongoing monitoring. The remedies for diabetes vary depending on the type of diabetes, type 1, type 2, or gestational diabetes, and individual health conditions, but they all aim to control blood sugar levels and prevent complications. Here are common remedies and management strategies for diabetes. 1. Healthy diet, balanced meals, focus on whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods and refined sugars, low glycemic index foods. Eat foods that have a low glycemic index, like legumes, whole grains, and non-starchy vegetables, as they raise blood sugar more slowly. Portion control. Eating moderate portions helps control blood sugar levels. Limit sugary foods. Minimize intake of sugary beverages, sweets, and refined carbohydrates. 2. Regular physical activity. Exercise. Engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, such as walking, cycling, or swimming. Strength training. Include resistance or weight training exercises a few times a week to improve insulin sensitivity. Physical movement. Even simple activities like walking after meals can help regulate blood sugar levels. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 3. Weight management. Lose excess weight. For those with type 2 diabetes or at risk, losing 5 to 10% of body weight can significantly improve blood sugar control. Healthy weight maintenance. Maintaining a healthy weight helps in managing blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. 4. Blood sugar monitoring. Frequent testing. Regularly check blood sugar levels to ensure they remain within the target range. Use a home glucose meter or continuous glucose monitoring (CGM) system. Adjusting treatment. Blood sugar monitoring helps you and your healthcare provider make adjustments to medications, diet, or exercise. 5. Medications. Insulin therapy. Type 1 severe type 2 people with type 1 diabetes and some with type 2 diabetes need insulin injections to control blood sugar. Oral medications. Type 2 medications like metformin, sulfonylureas, and SGLT2 inhibitors help the body use insulin more effectively or reduce blood sugar production. Injectable medications. In addition to insulin, some type 2 diabetes patients may use injectables like GLP-1 receptor agonists to control blood sugar and promote weight loss. 6. Stress management. Relaxation techniques. Practices like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help reduce stress, which affects blood sugar levels. Adequate sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night is essential for blood sugar control and overall health. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.